Namaste, I am Sandeep from the World Yoga Capital, Rishikesh. Let's begin today's practice. Outstretch your legs, taking support of your arms, hands on the mat, on the sides, a little behind your buttocks, feet comfortable distance apart. Let's practice ankle rotation. Start rotating your feet from the ankle joints. Just start making circles in the air with your feet. Hold focus on the ankles, relaxing and loosening the ankle joints. Once you get hold of the physical movement, then close your eyes and continue the practice. Being aware of the movement, being aware of the relaxation and loosening of ankle joint. Try not to move your knees. Movement is only coming from the ankle joints, relaxing and loosening them. Now let go the practice. Shake your feet, bounce off your knees, relax your legs. Now gently bend your right leg. Bring your right heel close to your right hip and gently drop your right knee to the side. Bring your right foot over the left thigh. Now with the left hand holding the right foot and right hand over the right knee, bring the knee towards the chest and slowly push it down towards the floor. While inhaling, bring the knee up. While exhaling, push it down. Try to bring the knee closer to the floor. And now, placing the hand over the right knee and slowly start pushing it down. Without breath awareness, just continue to press your knee down. The movement is coming from the hand. Your leg muscles are totally relaxed. Just push the knee down and allow it to come up by itself. Keep pushing it down. Feeling the stretch, feel the movement. Now hip rotation. Slowly start making circles in the air with your right knee. Feel this movement on your right hip joint, relaxing and loosening it. Inhale on the upward movement, exhale on the downward movement of the knee. Reverse, opposite direction. Keep on observing the pelvic region, keep on observing the hip joint. This is a very good practice for the people who are not very comfortable in a cross-legged position. Now gently release your right leg, straighten it. Take support of your arms, lean back slightly, inhale. While exhaling, let go of any control and relax your right leg. Now let's practice on the other side. Bend your left knee, drop it to the side, bring the left foot over the right thigh. Start practicing half butterfly, bringing the knee to the chest and then gently pushing it down towards the floor. Breathe in, knee to the chest. Breathe out, knee towards the floor. Feel the movement along with your hip joint. Start practicing knee bouncing, keeping the left hand over the left knee, Slowly start pushing the leg down. Leg muscles are totally relaxed. Movement is coming only from the hand. Just keep on pushing the leg down. Keep on practicing knee bouncing. Next practice, Shroni Chakra, the hip rotation. Let go the knee bouncing and slowly start making circles in the air with the left knee. Inhale on the upward movement, exhale on the downward movement. Reverse, opposite rotation. Inhale on the upward movement, exhale on the downward movement. Now gently let go the practice, taking support of the arms. Now inhale deeply, and with exhalation try to relax your left leg, left hip. Now come up into upright position. Feet a little bit more than hips width apart, 45 degrees from the center. Roll your shoulders back and interlock your fingers, keeping your back straight. Gently bend your knees slightly and rising up. Inhale, exhale, go down. Now, while exhaling, go all the way down. Inhale, come up. Exhale all the way down. Try to go all the way down. But remember, do not strain, do not push yourself too much. A healthy challenge. Now, let go the practice. Come on the end of your mat and slowly sit down in such a way that left foot on the mat, right knee beside your left foot, right foot toes tucked under right heel. Start walking here, keeping the hands on the knees. As you take a step forward, bring the opposite knee to the floor, and when you reach other end of the mat, turn around and start walking. Crow walking, a very good practice to improve the blood circulation in the legs. When you reach back to the starting position, let go the practice, stand still, inhaling deeply, exhaling deeply, relaxing. Now sit down with both legs outstretched. Keep the legs apart as much as you can comfortably. Throughout the practice, try to keep your knees straight, adjusting your posture, spine upright. Interlock your fingers, lean forward, and slowly go towards the right foot. Lean back, keeping the arms straight, and then go towards your left foot, and then come back to the center. Rotation along with your waist. Right, back, left, center. Inhaling as you go backwards, exhale as you come forward. Feel the stretches along with the hamstrings on back. Feel the movement. Feel the rotation along with your waist. Synchronizing the practice with your breath. Inhaling as you go backwards, exhale as you come forward. Reverse, opposite direction. Go to the left, back, right and center. Inhale and exhale. Feel the movement. A very good practice for the abdomen and the pelvic region. Now gently let go the practice, taking support of your arms. Lean back and drop your head to the back side. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Just let go of all the efforts and relax. Feel your breath coming back to its normal, natural pace. Be ready for the next practice. Come back, spine upright. Bring your arms by the sides at shoulder level. Keeping the arms straight, twist towards the right side and bring the left hand down towards the right big toe. And stretch the right arm to the back as you twist towards the right side. Keep both arms as straight as you can. Come back to the center. Twist towards the left side. Come back. This is one round. Like this. Continue the practice. Exhale while twisting. Inhale as you are coming back to the center. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Continuing the practice. Feel the twisting movement. Feel your spine. Dynamic spinal twist, a very good practice to remove the stiffness from the back and bringing the flexibility to your spine, relaxing and loosening it. Now, let go the practice. Taking support of your arms, lean back, drop your head to the back side. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, let go of all the efforts and allow your body to come back to its natural state. Now slowly bring your legs close together, bend your knees, hugging your legs tightly. Now come into a cross-legged sitting position. Spine is upright, hands on the knees, palms facing up. Tip of the index finger and thumb touching each other, chin mudra. Here let's practice neck movement. Drop your head forward. Try to bring your chin close to the chest. And slowly raise your head. Take it back as much as you can comfortably. Remember, in the neck movements, do not force. Be very gentle with your neck. If you have any condition of the neck or cervical area, please avoid these practices. If you feel dizzy with any practice, leave it for today. Inhaling, drop the head to the back side. Exhaling as you bring your chin towards the chest. Continue the practice. Feel the movement. Feel the release on the neck. Now on the sides. Bring your left ear close to your left shoulder. You do not have to touch the shoulder. Slowly come back to the center. Same on the other side. Continue. Try to bring your ears closer to the shoulder. Feel the stretch opposite side of the neck from the bend. Inhale to the center. Exhale as you bend. Next practice, neck rotation. Come back to the center and then drop your chin towards the chest. From here, take your head into a circular motion. Go towards the right, back, left and center. Inhale as you go backwards. Exhale as you bring your head forward. Inhaling back. feeling the neck exhale forward. Feel the movement, feel the sensations there. If you feel dizzy at any point, let go the practice. For today, relax. Remember to not force, just guiding your head into a circular direction. No strain on the neck, just relaxing it and loosening. Now reverse on the opposite direction, going to the left, back, right and front. Continue the practice. Now let go the neck rotation. Come back to the starting position, spine upright, head and neck align. Feel the muscles surrounding your cervical. Now lie down on your back. We are practicing boat pose, Nagasana. A very good practice for the core. Feet close together, arms close to the body. Now breathe in deeply, hold the breath. Now raise your legs, trunk, arms, head and neck off the ground, balancing on your hips. Go down and exhale. Inhale, hold, come up. Fingers pointing to the toes, core engage. Go down, exhale. Inhale, hold, go down, exhale. Now let's relax in the Shavasana. Lie flat on your back in the supine position, feet comfortable distance apart while your palms are facing up. Roll over to your right side and come up into a comfortable sitting position. Hands on the knees, palms facing up. Tip of the index finger and thumb touching each other. Chin mudra. Sitting upright. Experience the balance established with the practice. Now slowly become aware of your breath. Become aware of your body. Ready to externalize yourself, ready to finish the practice. Now slowly, when you feel ready, open your eyes. Namaste.